Welcome everyone. In this video lecture, we will think about the virtual ground concept and some op-amp amplifier circuits like inverting amplifier, non-inverting amplifier, unity follower, summing amplifier, etc. Okay, so we will start with the virtual ground concept. So basically, this virtual ground is nothing but simply when there is a inputs differential input between the two int. Okay, for example, I am saying plus of minus the differential amplifier, that is our vid, say vid. Okay, between these 2 points. Okay, so this vid value is approaches to 0. Okay, how? And for example, this one is the v note, and as we know, the amplifier, the op amp and op amp have a very high gain, high gain differential differential amplifier circuit. Okay, I will tell you how it is. vid will be 0. For example, I am saying the ad, the differential gain, is around 10 to the power 5. Okay, ad be the differential gain, differential gain. Okay, so this ad value is nothing but simply what? The output differential output by differential input voltage. Okay, say vid. Okay, now for the time being, what I am saying, an op amp have a maximum supply voltage. Op amp have a maximum supply around 10 volt. I will take 15 also, 12 also, but I am taking 10. Okay, so this input differential by sorry, output differential by input differential is there. So the minimum vid value for this case will be what? vod by ad, where this vod is a vcc, the maximum supply. Okay, say this one is vcc and this one is minus vcc. Okay, clear? So in this case, vcc by ad. Now we are saying this vcc we are taking 10 and ad around 10 to the power 5, means this one is nothing but simply 10 to the power minus 4. Okay, so if we are multiplying with 100 and into 10 to the power minus 2, so it should be around 100 microvolt. Okay, so it should be in 100 microvolt. So we can say this vid value is nearly 100 microvolt. Okay, so this value is very less, or we can say it approaches to 0. Ideally we are saying, so this one we can say as a ground, or we can say the virtual ground, virtual ground. Okay, so this one is a virtual ground. Is it clear? One more thing, suppose I have already discussed this thing, but again I am drawing the curve. Okay, vod by vid. So if we draw the curve, will be somehow. Okay, I have already derived the this characteristics. Okay, in my earlier video you can find. So this value, as we know, this VOD is a function of what? VID is a alpha RC I naught 10 hyperbolic VID by 2VT. This one for the amplifier, if okay, I am selecting different color. If this, for this, if we plot the, say this one is minus VEE, this one is say I naught, this one is say RC, simple differential amplifier circuit, and say this one is VI1, VI2, V01, V02. I have already discussed this one, and VCC. So if we plot the VOD and VID curve, so this one is somehow this one. So this one is the concept. So basically in the virtual current concept, we have to take the VID value will be 0. Now we will solve things this virtual current concept in inverting amplifier. Okay. So VID will be 0. Clear? In any amplifier circuit like op-amp based amplifier circuit, we have to take this concept. So now we have to go for the some very simple, we can say, inverting amplifier. Means how the proof inverting amplifier, inverting amplifier. Okay, so now for the inverting amplifier, first we have to draw the diagram. No need to remember the formula. Okay, I think everyone know the formula, but how to derive this one we will talk. Say this one is V output, this one is RF R1, and this one will be our, say, V in. So this one is a inverting amplifier. So how to solve this one? So for this purpose, in such situation, you have to take this voltage, okay, should be 0. So this voltage we have to take as 0, okay, or VID should be nearly 0. So the circuit for the same can be modified as RF R1, and this should be our V output, okay, and plus of minus V in, and this voltage is, take this voltage as 0 volt, okay. In a virtual current concept, this voltage in such cases we have to take as a 0 volt, okay. So now next what we have to say, this current will be go like that, say some current I, okay, the same current will flow from this one, say I, okay. So what we have to do, this I current, will be nothing but simply V in minus 0 by R1. Why? Because this one is a R1 resistance, this voltage is V in, and this voltage is 0 volt, and current is flowing from this side, so it should be higher. So V in minus 0 by R1, okay. Now in this case, it should be, this I will be 0 minus V output by RF, okay. This one, in case of RF, it should be 0 and it should be V output. So now these both equation will be same, so 1 and 2 will be same. So one can write V in by R1 equals to minus V output by RF, or simply I am writing here, so V output equals to minus RF by R1 into V in. So this one is the expression for the inverting amplifier. Okay, so this one is very simple. So in inverting amplifier, only you have to take the, if some open based circuit, okay, write this voltage 0, then apply KVL, KCL, whatever. Okay, so this one is the inverting amplifier. Now next we have to go for the non-inverting amplifier. Non-inverting amplifier. Okay, in case of non-inverting amplifier, how to make the circuit? So first try to make the circuit. Okay. So in this case again minus plus. Okay, and this one non-inverting, so we have to give the input at the non-inverting terminal. Okay, so mark it V in, and it should be R1 RF, V output, and this one will be the ground. Okay, so now this one is the circuit. So now how to solve this one? So again what I am doing, I am redrawing the circuit. What I am doing, I am just redrawing the circuit. We are giving input here, say V in. Okay, and this should be our V output. Okay, and I am saying this one is RF, and one should be R1. Okay, so now what we are saying, this voltage, this and in between this voltage will be VID, will be nearly 0 volt. Okay, so once again one can draw the circuit for this one. H V in. Okay, and this value of VID equals to 0, and this one RF R1. Okay, it should be grounded, and this value will be nothing but simply V out. Okay, same VI in. Okay, VID will be 0, this voltage will be 0, so make it 0. Okay, R1 RF. Okay, so now again we have to redraw the circuit like here V in. Okay, this one is VID 0, so make it like that, R1 RF plus minus V output. So the voltage across this resistance is not more or less V in, same as that of this one. Is it okay or no? From this figure. Okay, from this figure. Now one can also modify this one HRF R1. Is it okay? And this value is nothing but simply V output, and the resistance R1 have an input voltage of V in, because this one is 0, so this voltage appears across this one R1. Now we have to apply voltage division rule. So this V in voltage can be just V output. Okay, this resistance by R1 plus RF. Voltage division rule, once again I am saying, if R1 R2 is there, this voltage division rule, V in V output is there, so V output equals to V in into R2 by R1 plus R2. Okay, this one is voltage division rule. So now from here we can write V output equals to what? V in R1 plus RF by R1, or V output equals to V in 1 plus RF by R1. So this one is the expression for the non-inverting terminal. Okay, clear? Inverting, clear? So it is very simple. Only you have to think about the concept of this ground concept, virtual ground concept here that I have used. Here we have to make it 0 volt. Here 0 volt. So this value will be somehow sorted. So this will be, this voltage across this point will be same as that of V in. So this V in. So we have to apply this concept, that is our voltage division rule. So we can find the non-inverting amplifier as a V output equals to V in 1 plus RF by R1. So once again I am writing the expression of V output equals to 1 plus RF R1 into V in. Okay, so this one is one. Okay, one more unity follower. Unity follower. Okay, so unity follower circuit is very simple. What we have to do? First, we have to draw the op-amp circuit. Okay, minus, plus, and we have to give the input here at this side. So this V in, or we can say V output equals to V in. So how we can write this one? Because this one is connected. Okay, and this value is more or less V in, because this value will be 0 volt. Okay, so this V in come or appears here, or in general what we can do, you make like that, it will be easy. This value will be VID 0 plus minus V in plus minus V output. So this voltage and this voltage will be same, so we can say V output equals to V input. So this one is the simple unity follower circuit. Okay, just instead of this one we have to write VID. So this is all about the simple mathematical circuitry for the inverting, non-inverting and unity follower. So in the next video I will give you the summing amplifier, integrator and differentiator circuit. So thank you for watching.